Hi guys, welcome to Wednesday Quickie. We're going to do a review, shocker. It's by McCormick Fry Easy, seasoned chicken fry, hot and spicy. So that's what we're going to try today. I have my chicken wings are soaking in buttermilk. They've been soaking in there for a couple hours. It's a different way of trying it. And I left my wings intact. I didn't cut them apart or nothing. I've got some Tsang Stir Fry oil brushed on the bottom of my pan. I've got a link to that if you want to buy some. And also this Batter Pro thing, I've got a link to that too if you're interested in that. I cannot live without it. It's awesome. So how many wings do you have, Booger? I don't know. What's that? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? 8 or 9? 8 wings? I don't know. Who's keeping track? Certainly not me. Okay, so it comes in 3 pieces. And, well, yeah, you gotta put the batter in there. Ding-a-ling. Let's see if I'm gonna have to use it all. Let me smell it first. It smells a little spicy. I'm gonna use the whole box. I think it was like $1.50 or something like that at Walmart. You know me, anything that says hot and spicy, I'm gonna freaking get it. So you put your third part on there. It comes in 3 pieces, this thing. If you're new to my channel, click subscribe and the bell. And you shake it. Like a so. Let me finish this, rearrange things, and here's my hands again. We'll see you later. Wow, that smells so spicy. Not gonna lie. Oh, if you're wondering what Tsang Stir Fry oil is, it's infused with garlic and herbs and stuff like that. It smells delicious. I use that quite a bit in my air fryer, so that's a keeper. Okay, here are the wings. A little extreme close-up for you. Holy cow, that smells. Whoo! So I'm gonna just lay them in there. And I am going to spray the top with some olive oil, but not right yet. I always wait like 5 minutes in. Well, it looks like I could have fit maybe one more. But it's just the husband and I, so this will be perfect. Alright. Yeah, I could have fit probably maybe 2 more. Okay. So I'm going to put this on high, the bottom, top on, all that good jazz, and 5 minutes in, I'm going to spray it with some olive oil. And we'll see you at the end. Alright guys, time to taste. This is exciting to me. I love spicy stuff. I don't know where to start. Grab this one. Okay. I tell you what, buttermilk really makes it like a little extra coating on it, which is nice. Making a mess. This is my favorite part, but I'll taste this for you. What do you think? Looks good, eh? Wow. Okay. You guys remember the House Archery thing with Texas Pete? This is just as good. This, if you like spicy, that's good. And do the buttermilk thing. That really does a nice coating on it. Whoa. That's a lot spicier than the Texas Pete one. Oh, hell yeah. That's a 5-star right there. I'm going to give this a 5. For sure, if you like spicy. He's got like chili pepper right there. Alright. Well, there you go, guys. I love it. Thanks for shopping. Bye.